Yes, finally I'm going to the Harry Potter studio.
보이시나요?
Do you see? Powered by Muggle electricity.
Just a short journey away from Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, the making of Harry Potter.
As soon as you get off the magic bus, all the historical Harry Potter newspapers welcome you.
모르겠어. 잔뜩 아주 해리포터.
Ta-da! Are you ready to see magic?
여러분 이렇게 오시면 인포데스크 앞에
Don't forget to get a free Harry Potter passport at the lobby.
받으세요.
The tour begins with Dudley's family photos. They look like a real family.
요즘 런던 시대.
This room will be £650 in London.
우와 여기 한국어 버전도 이렇게 딱 들어왔어요.
This section is filled with all Harry Potter posters and I found a Korean one.
해리포터의 모든 시리즈의 포스터로 지금 꾸며져 있는 방이에요.
The entrance of the Great Hall brings the magic to reality. Do you see all the candles in the air? The Great Hall looks exactly the same in the film and it's amazingly pretty. Do you remember the educational decrees made by Dolores Umbridge? They're all here. I reckon this is Professor Snape's favorite place. It moves itself automatically. I wonder how it works. This is the point where you can collect your stamp on your passport.
이렇게 찍으면 되나 봐요.
No. Put only one page that you want to get the stamp. Remove the cover.
아, really? 아, thank you. 아, 커버를 빼고 해야 한대요. 그 약간 우편봉투 실드.
This is not an ink stamp. It's more like a seal.
어떻게 저렇게 진짜 불처럼.
It looks like real fire. Maybe there's real magic.
여기는 바로 어디냐면요. 덤블도어의 방입니다. 아주 사람들이 가운데서 너무 필름밍을 많이 하고 있는데.
This is Professor Dumbledore's room. You can see a phoenix in the room.
여러분 저거 잡는 거 진짜 재밌어요. 빗자루.
Oh, I loved this activity. Don't miss the Quidditch area.
대체 어떻게 움직이는
These
거예요?
are also moving automatically. It's brilliant.
미쳤다, 이거. 행복해. 와, 그리고 여기는
You can get a photo of yourself on the broomstick here. It's not free.
돈 내야 된대요. 늑대 교수님.
Do you remember Professor Lupin's trunk? I thought it was a CGI, but it wasn't. Isn't it brilliant?
이게 CG가 아니었다니.
This one as well. I assumed most of the effects were CGI, but it turns out that most of them are real automatic moving objects.
우와. 아, 여기 그 숲.
Welcome to the Forbidden Forest. It's like Halloween.
으시시하게 해놨네. 이제 오, 그거다. 대왕 스파이더.
There is Aragog. This is Harry's Patronus, which is a stag. This definitely needs CGI.
9와 4분의 3 생강당.
Yes, platform 9 3/4.
오, 이렇게 설레게 기차.
The train is about to leave.
저기 저 시계까지.
Oh, there are the trolleys.
여기 와서 찍으시면 됩니다. 생강당.
There are
3개나
3,
있어요.
so if you didn't get a photo at King's Cross Station,
그리고
don't
이제
worry.
호거트 열차가 곧 출발할 예정이오니 모두 탑승해.
I was so excited to get on the train.
실제 영화 촬영에 쓰였던
This train was used for actual filming, and now people can tour inside of the train.
들어가 보려고요. 예? 문 열려요?
We're so curious if we could open it. Well, of course no.
해리포터 고블렛 파이어래. 이야. 해리포터 스튜디오니까 버터비어 한잔 하러 왔어요. 아 그런가요? 치얼스.
When I tried butterbeer at Universal Studio in Japan, it wasn't great, but this one is quite good. It's a non-alcoholic fizzy drink with sweet whipped cream on top, but one drink is enough.
이렇게 밖에 나오면 저
Here is the ghost bus.
저기 론의 집도 이렇게 있고요.
Ron's house,
이쪽은 지금 해리포터
and
집이고요.
Dudley's house outside.
거들린의 집입니다.
Do you remember the scenes with the letters from Hogwarts and the floating on tea? Yes, the screaming mandrake plants. You can actually pull them out and hear their lovely screams. In this section, you can see and experience all the special effects that were used in all of the Harry Potter films.
지금 움직이는 대로 도비가 움직입니다.
My friend is making Dobby's movements by moving her body. So funny. This is the weakest Vold mode. It's an amazing special effect, isn't it?
진짜 멋있다.
This part is one of my favorite ones in the tour, Gringotts Wizarding Bank. I feel like I'm in the film. I know it's not real, but when I stood in front of this, I was a bit scared. Cause the dragon in the screen seems so real and it looks like the dragon is gonna come out of the screen in a second. One of the most magical places, diagonally. Weasley's toy shop.
장난감 샵. 저게 뭐죠?
It's a bit of a shame that there's no inside tour.
못 들어가봐서 좀 아쉬워요. 마지막 장소인 호그와트.
What's wrong with me?
너무
It's the final part of the tour, Hogwarts.
아, 저 빛 때문에 마치 눈이 오는 것처럼 보여요.
The lights make the castle shine in the snow. Also, we can experience special effects here, such as magic fire and different types of snow.
드라이아이스 원래 이렇게 해도 돼요? 우와, 이거 약간 밀가루.
It's quite difficult to explain the texture of the snow, but one thing for sure is you want to keep touching it.
내 방이 있었습니다.
The final of the tour is a souvenir shop.
스위트를
I can't pass the sweet shop, can I?
그 도깨비 초콜릿.
I don't know why I said it's a goblin chocolate.
이거 유명하죠.
Yes, the jelly beans. I remember the earwax jelly beans.
얘도
It's £8.95. I'm pretty much sure there is definitely a small size of this.
또 있네 여기.
Butterbeer in a bottle. Do you think there will be whipped cream in the bottle? I got a bottle of a butterbeer and it's wrapped by Harry Potter newspaper. Amazing!
신문지 랩핑으로 오늘의 영상 끝.
Well, yes, I need a wand.